Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth so you can make phone calls and listen to the music. This video should apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016 and to Chevy Cruzes which are equipped with a Bluetooth option. Okay, so to start, press the config button here on the dashboard and that will get you to the main menu. Now to scroll through the menu options, you'll be using this knob right here, so you want to turn it left or right to scroll through the options. You want to go all the way down until you reach phone settings and then you will press this button in to make a selection. Here you will select Bluetooth and now you will scroll down to pair device phone and select that.
Pair. Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
And now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. Okay, so on your phone, first you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. And once you do that, you will get to the Bluetooth menu. Now I have a bunch of pair devices. You want to scroll all the way down to available devices and here you should find your Chevy Cruze. Now it's still getting the info and this is the one, your vehicle. So this is what you're looking for. Under the available devices you should find your vehicle and press that. Now this will take maybe up to 10-15 seconds. And once you get to this screen, pairing request, you will type in the code from the vehicle screen. In my case, it's 0565, and I will press pair.
Please say the name tag you want associated with this phone.
Frank.
No speech heard.
Frank.
About to store.
Frank.
Does that sound okay? Please
yes.
Say yes or no.
Yes. Frank.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the Bluetooth settings
and
menu.
That's it.
Bluetooth ready.
So once you pair it, once you start the pairing process, the radio will ask you a couple of questions to name the Bluetooth.
Pair, list, delete, change phone, and voice.
Yeah, that's it. You can also allow access to...
Did you say?
You can also allow access to contacts if you want to. It's up to you. I will say deny. And now you should be able to make phone calls via Bluetooth and also listen to the music. Okay, now I will just show you here as well. As you can see, my phone is paired and ready to be used. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.